my chicken houses. We just moved the chicken houses. All that is underwater over there. I cannot believe it. We've never seen this much water on our property. That's our natural drainage. And, you know, of course we want water to drain there, but it is very high. I think it may be reaching our private road over there for the first time in near 20 years. But the chickens are the house is high and dry, but the water is rushing. That's the problem. Coming off the house and around the house. And the new chicks right there, it's going straight to theirs. We're going to have to, as soon as it lets up, we're going to go get them out of there. I hope they survive and hang on. Whoa, okay. Woohoo! Cannot believe this.